The power of hydrogen peroxide, unlocking a cleaner, safer home. Are you tired of using harsh chemicals for cleaning? Let's talk about a game changer in the world of natural cleaning solutions. Hydrogen peroxide is more than just a wound cleaner. It's a versatile, eco-friendly powerhouse that can brighten your home. From your kitchen to your bathroom, it effortlessly tackles grime, leaving surfaces sparkling without the harmful residues of traditional cleaners. Did you know it's also an excellent stain remover? Just a dab on your clothes, and watch those stubborn stains disappear. What about germs and bacteria? Hydrogen peroxide is a natural disinfectant, ensuring your spaces aren't just clean but truly sanitized. And for those with allergies or sensitivities, rejoice. This is the mild solution you've been seeking, harsh on dirt but gentle on you. So why not make the switch today? Clean smarter, not harder, with hydrogen peroxide, and embrace a healthier, brighter home environment.